Dear students, this is the fourth lecture on the topic interpolation for equal intervals. In today's lecture, we will discuss about Newton's forward interpolation formula. Let y equal to fx be a given function, be a function which takes the following set of values in equal intervals, that is x equal to x0, x1, x2, x3, xn, and y equal to y0, y1, y2, y3, yn if the interpolated value is near the beginning of the table. Then we always apply Newton's forward interpolation formula. If the interpolated value near the end of the table, we always use Newton's or any backward formula. And if the interpolated value near the center of the table, we always use central differences formula. Okay. And Newton's forward interpolation formula can be easily proved. Okay. Suppose y equal to fx be a given function which takes the following values: x equal to x0, x1, x2, x3, xn, and corresponding set of values y equal to y0, y1, y2, y3, yn. Let us assume y equal to fx be the polynomial in x of degree n. We assume the fx as a polynomial in x of degree n, that is we assume yx equal to fx as fx is equal to a0 plus a1x minus x0 plus a2x minus x0 x minus x1 plus a3 x minus x0 x minus x1 x minus x2 and so on. Now suppose this is the equation 1, and putting one by one x equal to x0, x1, x2 up to xn successively, when we put x equal to x0, then all terms a1, a2, a3, an will be 0. We have only this term a0. Okay. When x equal to 0, that is a0 is equal to y0. When we put x equal to x1, this term will be 0, a2, a3, a2, 2, an will be 0. We get terms here, that is when x equal to x1, that is x equal to 1, that is here we have x equal to a1 equal to y1 minus a0 upon x1. When we put x equal to x1 minus x0, that is we put value of a0 here, y1 minus y0 upon, and this is x1 minus x0. x1 means x0 plus h minus x0, that is h. Okay. Here the values are given in equal intervals. Okay. Here we can replace x1 minus x0 is equal to h. Also x2 minus x1 is also h. x3 minus x2 is h. We can replace this term by h, that is, and this is y1 minus y0 upon h, and this is the definition of forward difference operator, del y0 equal to h, del y0 upon h. When x equal to x2, we get this term. All this term other than a0, a1, a2 will be 0. When x equal to x2, this is called y2, and we find out value of a2, that is y2 minus a0 minus a1 x1 minus x2 minus x0 upon this term x2 minus x0 and x2 minus x1. Okay. And here we know that a1 is y1 minus y0 upon h, and x2 minus x0 means x2 minus x1, adding and subtracting x1, that is x2 minus x1 plus x1 minus x0, that is this is h and this is h, difference of these two, h plus h, that is 2h, and we can replace this term by 2h, and here also 2h into h. Okay, now what is the value of a2? a2 will be y2 minus 2y1 plus y0 upon 2h square, that is 1 upon factorial 2, and this is the definition of del square y0. Okay, del square y0 means we can write this term e minus 1 whole square y0, and this is e square minus 2e plus 1 y0, and this is y2 minus 2y1 plus y2. Similarly, we can find out a3 and other terms also, and substitute all these values in equation 1. We get this term here, x equal to x minus x0 upon h is equal to p, that is x equal to x0 plus ph, where p is a real number. Then from equation 2 we get here yp equal to y0 plus p del y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon factorial 2 del square y0 plus p minus 1 p minus 2 upon factorial 3 del q y0 up to p minus 1 up to p minus n minus 1 upon factorial del n y0. This is known as Newton's forward interpolation formula. Okay. For the examination point of view, in some examination, this is not very much important to prove this formula, but if it is required in your examination, then I will, in my other lecture, I have already proved it in my other lectures. Okay, you can watch all those videos. Okay, now what we get here, by the Newton's forward interpolation formula, and suppose this is x1 and this value is x0 plus h, all these are in equal, x0 plus h, this is x0 plus 2h, this is x0 plus 3h, and this is x0 plus nh. Okay, here the values of x are given in equal intervals. Okay, now by the Newton's forward interpolation formula, now by the Newton's forward interpolation formula, we have, this is the Newton forward interpolation formula, yp is equal to y0 plus p del y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon factorial 2 del square y0 plus p minus 1 p minus 2 upon factorial 3 del q y0, and so on, where p equal to x minus x0 upon h. That is we have yp is equal to y0 plus p del y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon factorial 2 del square y0 plus p minus 1 p minus 2 upon factorial 3 del q y0 up to p minus 1 p minus 2 p minus n minus 1 upon factorial n del n by 0. Okay. Here p is equal to x minus x0 upon h. Okay. That is, we can say that calculation value minus initial value upon class interval. Calculation value minus initial value upon class interval. Okay. And del y0, del square y0, del q y0 are the forward differences. Okay. We can calculate all these values by using difference table. Okay. Now let us have some problems on this topic. Using Newton's forward interpolation formula, find the value of y for x equal to 5. Here given values of x and y are 4, 6, 8, 10. Corresponding values of y are 1, 3, 8 and 16. Okay. Here it is given, we have to apply here Newton's forward interpolation formula. Okay. If the interpolated value, here interpolated value is x equal to 5. If the interpolated value is near the beginning of the table, then we will always use Newton's forward interpolation formula. Okay, we have to apply this formula. For this, we have to calculate first forward differences. Now we calculate the forward differences. The forward differences are as per below. Now we will develop a table. Here this is x, here we write y. Here we calculate differences of first, second order, third order, and so on as per the values of x are given here. Here values of set of values are given in number problem, that is 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, this is the given data 4, 6, 8, 10, and corresponding values of y are 1, 3, 8 and 16. Here the interpolate, here we have to find out the value of y for x equal to 5. We have to find out value of y when x equal to 5. Here this is the value where we have to apply interpolation formula. Here this interpolated value is near the beginning of the table. When it is beginning of the table, we always use Newton's forward interpolation formula. Okay, first for applying this formula we have to calculate the differences. Okay, now we calculate differences of these two, that is 3 minus 1 is 2, 8 minus 3 is 5 and 16 minus 8 is 8. These are the differences of first order. Now differences of these two 3, differences of these two 3, and differences of this minus this is 0. Okay, now here interpolated value is near the beginning of the table, means interpolated value is near the 4. Okay, also it is near the 6, but here in that case we get only two differences. Now we choose this 4 equal to x0, and corresponding this value is called y0, and this value corresponding these values, means this is x0, this is y0, and these are the forward differences from top to bottom. Okay, now this value is called del y0 corresponding to y0, and this value is called del square y0, and that value is called del q y0. If we choose this 6, it is also interpolated value is also near this value, and if we choose this x0, then this will be y0, this will be del y0, okay, and this will be del square y0. Okay, we can find out our solution by using both the techniques, but here we are getting one more differences. Here we are getting more differences, that's why we choose this equal to x0, this is y0, this is del y0, del square y0 and del q y0. Okay, now what is p here? P is equal to x minus x0 upon h, that is calculation value that is in which we have to find out the value of y. Here x equal to 5, calculation value is 5 minus initial value upon class interval. Okay, what is the class interval? What is the difference? Here we have the problem in equal interval. Difference will be 4 to 6 2, 6 to 8 2, 8 to 10 2. Here value of h is 2, means calculation value means 5 minus initial value, this is x0, this is the initial value, 5 minus 4 upon class interval is 2. Okay, here x equal to 5, x0 equal to 4, and class interval h is equal to 2. That is p equal to 5 minus 4 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2, that is 0.5. Now by the Newton's forward interpolation formula, we have yp is equal to y0 plus p del y0 plus pc1, that is p into p minus 1 upon factorial 2 del square y0 plus pc2, that is p minus 1 p minus 2 upon factorial 3 del q y0 and so on, that is yp equal to y0. What is the value of y0? Here value of y0 is x0 equal to 4, y0 equal to 1. This is the value of del y0, del square y0, del q y0. Here y0 is equal to 1. 1 plus p means 0.5 into del y0. Del y0 is this 2 plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1, value of p upon factorial 2 means 2 into del square y0. Del square y0 is 3 plus p minus 1, p minus 2, that is 0.5, 0.5 minus 1, 0.5 minus 2 upon factorial 3 means 6, del q y0, and del q y0 is 0. Now solving this is 1 plus 1, and when we solve this we get here 0.375, and this is 0, that is 2 minus 0.375, that is 1.625, and this is the final answer. Means this is the value of y when x equal to 5. Okay, when x equal to 4 it is 1, and when x equal to 5 it is 1.625. okay, I think it is clear to all of you. If you have any queries regarding this video lecture, then you can comment on comment box, and if you feel this video lecture is helpful for you and you find out it is useful for you, then please like and subscribe this channel. It's a motivation for me to prepare more videos for you. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day, and Bharat Mata ki Jai.